Hey YouTubers, today we're going to unbox a brand new DI-ACRO 1A bender. And that's what this is right here. I was out in the garage and I found a box. I opened it up and guess what was in it? A brand new bender. So today we're going to go over it and we're going to do a couple of different basic bends just to see how to do it. All right, here it is. Let's see what we got going on. July 7th, 2016. Okay. Well, looks like I got a little rust on that. I doubt that'll be big. Go ahead and put that on. Slide our stop in there. All right, let's go over all the components. Okay, this is your base, and it's pretty damn tough. It's heavy duty. And then we have above it, this is the mounting plate. And of course we have the handle, which is this, and it rotates. Inside we have, I think it's 96 needle bearings. We have the nose. We've got a nose holder, and we've got a stop. And then we have a back support that supports this. This is your center radius pin. And then we have this holding pin, which can be moved. And then this locking pin, which as you rotate it, it actually locks in to whatever you're locking into. Okay, we also have this adjustable angle stop. All right, we're going to go ahead and clamp this down to the table. If you use this style clamp, it works really well. It gets it in a couple spots. And it holds it pretty good for small, lightweight bending. All right, I went ahead and set up the bender. Let's go ahead and see what it'll do. We'll make 4 bends. We'll compare them all. See how they come out. Okay, here they are. Alright guys, so that last bend I did was using the stops. And if the stops work for you, that's a good thing. It doesn't always work for me. Sometimes I have to build a stop of my own. And go ahead and use it. Alright, so this bend is just going to be a kind of a freehand bend. Nothing special. I'm just playing to finish off this video. And I screwed that up, but it'll work. So I just thought I'd try making an eye bolt with it. And we'll go ahead and put it backwards. And just bend it back. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you liked it. Go ahead and follow me if you would like to see more of these videos. Go ahead and give me the like. And we'll see you on the next one. Hi, cat. Not sure if you see the cat there.